Welcome to a new video from The Mind Off, where we share psychological facts about love, human behavior, and psychological facts about relationships. In this video, we focus on why people grow apart in a relationship. We talk all about why people grow apart in a relationship, the signs you're growing apart from your partner, and what to do when you and your spouse grow apart. Don't skip parts of this video, because you'll soon miss out on many valuable insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more psychology videos and psychology facts about relationships, love and more. We've grown apart. It's likely the foremost common reason couples donate for why their relationship didn't work out. In all genuineness, I wasn't shocked when I examined that almost 80% of couples deliver this reason for breaking up. In spite of the fact that I wasn't able to discover more sources supporting this claim, I ought to concede that I have misplaced number of how numerous times I have listened to companions say this sentence after a breakup. Are we growing apart in a relationship because we change so much overnight? Hardly. Effective, cheerful couples habitually state that their noteworthy other is their best friend, who continuously has their back and is somebody they can tally on in any circumstance. Somebody to number on, and work together as a group, indeed on the off chance that the objectives are not precisely the same. Be that as it may, assume you're in a relationship that's misplaced its start, or is coming up short. In that case, you and your significant other are impossible to concur that you've been there for each other in any significant or steady way as of late. In reality, instead of being a shake of unending cherish and bolster in your life partner may be the source of your hopelessness and dissatisfaction. And it's perhaps absolutely since brushing over small disturbances amid the relationship can advance into something reprehensible over time. Whereas alter in long-term connections is inborn and ought to be grasped, certain behavioral propensities ought to raise ruddy banners. Growing apart in a relationship was identified as the single most common cause for breakups, ahead of arguments, unfaithfulness, and lack of appreciation. Therefore, the most obvious signs that people are growing apart in a relationship are: 1. You choose to share your news with other people instead of your partner. 2. You no longer want to spend free time with your partner. 3. Thoughts of spending life with them are not as strong as they were before. 4. There is no physical touch between the two of you. 5. You've given up on having those hard talks. 6. Likewise, you've stopped having discussions in general. 7. There's a sense of loneliness even when the two of you are together. 8. There's a lack of eye contact. 9. Your interests have significantly changed. 10. You find any and every little reason to start an argument. When you think you and your partner are growing apart in a relationship, the best thing to do is to tell the other person your concerns. However, it's important to make sure this is a conversation and not a confrontation. Make it clear that you aren't blaming your partner for what is happening. Instead, provide observations about what you feel is happening and discuss how you can work together as a couple to bridge the gap. You might start the conversation by talking about what you are feeling. For example, you might say something like, "I feel like we aren't as close as we used to be and I'd like to find ways to spend more time together." Don't go into the conversation with comments like, "You're never around," or "You act like you don't even care anymore." While you might feel those things to be true, starting a blame game will only put the other person on the defensive and make them less likely to want to work together on rebuilding your intimacy and connection. As soon as your concerns are voiced, it will bring relief and often be seen from your partner as a confirmation of the feelings he or she also had. By making time for each other again and spending time together, you ensure that you can grow closer to each other and rekindle the flame of love. During this process, it is important to support each other and have fun together again. Growing apart in a relationship is not because we change overnight. It's how connections are planned. All of us can drop out of love, Really, able to indeed make ourselves drop out of cherish. Sounds emotional, right? Falling out of cherish doesn't cruel your relationship is over. In a sound relationship, both realize what they have. Hence, drop in cherish once more, indeed more profoundly than some time recently. At that point we drop out of a door, fair to drop back in cherish once more. It's a rehashing cycle, as long as both spouses are on board. Realizing that we don't have to be waited for anyone else to alter to involvement. A door features a lot of control. This longing may be fulfilled by our claim acts features a part of constrain. You'll have a cherishing, genuine, and cheerful relationship for a lifetime, in case you get it. The cherish rules, and commit to putting the adoring deeds that open your heart into hone. It's not continuously basic or simple, but it's certainly worth it. Because in the end, we just want to be loved. Did you find this video about why cheaters cheat as interesting as we found it? Then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, so you won't miss any more valuable videos. Let us know in the comments which insight helped you the most. Thanks for watching and see you at the next video.